Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab, and we have a special paint today. What are we painting?
Well, I was thinking we'd do a puppy dog.
Well, that sounds cute. What do we need to paint our puppy dog?
Well, let's see. I have orange, yellow, white, red, black, and brown.
Okay, let's get to it.
Okay. All right. Puppy dog. All right, so first off, let's start with his head, and that's going to be right here. Good. And we're going to give him some floppy ears. So there's like kind of a little bump, and then they come down. That. Good. And same on the other side. We're going to do kind of a little bump, and then they're going to nice. All right, and then we're going to complete the ear, and we're going to come back up and end it right about there. On the other side, same thing. You're going to kind of come out here and up. Nice. Okay, and then this is going to be the bottom of his head. Just simply that way. Okay, nice. And then what we're going to do is his collar. That'll be right here. Good. And then we'll do a leg. So the first leg is going to be down here. Don't want to go too far to the bottom. We still have some stuff we're going to do down there. Good. And same on the other side. Very good. All right, and then let's do he's going to have kind of like a little furry light patch on his chest, so we'll just go ahead and do that. Something like that. Good. Okay, and then we're going to do his legs. Front legs anyway. Nice. Okay, and then we'll just round off his feet like this. Good. And then he's going to be sitting. Very good. Okay, and now let's do his hind leg. We'll start here, and it's going to give the look like he's sitting. And that will disappear behind his first leg. Good, very good. Okay, and same on the other side. He's going to have his hind leg. And it's going to appear like he's sitting on that side. Very good. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll take his tail. His tail's kind of wrapped around. Something like that. Very good. All right, so we're going to start his eye. And another eye. Good. All right, and then of course, we'll do his nose. Good. And then we are going to, of course, he's going to be a smiley dog. Very good. Okay, and now this is going to be his tongue. And then this will be his mouth. And it'll make a little more sense once we color it in. Good. And then lastly, we'll do like a little charm right here as if he's got something on his collar. All right, nice. I think these are already looking super cute. I think we fast forward and bring our puppies to life. Yeah.
Alright, we are back from fast forwarding our puppy, and I believe the puppies turned out great.
Yes, they did.
So I just want to go over like what we did for some of this, like ears and the legs.
Yeah, good point.
So what we did first is we colored the whole body yellow, except for the eyes and the mouth and the chest hair. What we did is we had the brown and we just kind of sweeped up and it made that, and it makes sure the yellow paint was like wet, or if it's dried, you could just put your paintbrush in water and it would still make it wet. Same with the tail on this, and then we just put white on this. We had the little claws.
Just to give it like a little furry look, right? Well, I think they look great. What else do we have to do?
Our signature!
Well, we want to thank you for joining us again for another creation with Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun painting your puppy and see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.